Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you, can a gas fireplace cause carbon monoxide poisoning? Carbon monoxide poisoning can severely damage the human nervous and respiratory system as well as the brain and heart. It can sometimes be fatal since it deprives the body of oxygen, a vital nutrient clinical to proper body functions. This dangerous gas poses a significant health risk to occupants in residential homes and commercial buildings, especially during cold winters when gas fireplaces are used more frequently. According to statistics from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, during 2015, a total of 2,244 deaths resulted from unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning, with the highest number of deaths each year occurring in winter months. In 2015, a total of 393 deaths resulting from unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning occurred, with 36% of deaths occurring in December, January, or February. As of March 2022, the CDC reported more than 50,000 people visit hospital emergency rooms each year from accidental carbon monoxide poisoning. Yearly fatalities have also increased to 43 up to from 393 in 2015. Consequently, it's essential to know what could potentially expose a person to this colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Causes and symptoms. Yes, gas fireplaces are one potential cause of carbon monoxide poisoning. While there are other many potential sources of such exposure, including certain appliances and devices, motor vehicles, and wood stoves, gas fireplaces are a common culprit. As previously mentioned, carbon dioxide is a byproduct of oxidation process occurring within the complete com- combustion of fossil fuel, which contain elemental carbon and hydrogen. An improperly maintained or ventilated gas fireplace can create incomplete combu- combustion, create carbon monoxide, and causing this toxic gas to linger, putting those inside at risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Several indications of carbon monoxide poisoning, whether from gas fireplaces or other sources, include but are not limited to nausea, dizziness, shortness of breath, chest pain, headache, unconsciousness. According to the National Safety Council (NSC), a non-profit with the mission of eliminating preventable deaths at work, in homes, and communities. If exposure is prolonged, victims could even experience mental confusion, vomiting, loss of muscular coordination, loss of consciousness, and even death. It's important to note that carbon monoxide poisoning can sometimes be confused for the flu, since both can share similar symptoms depending on exposure length and duration. If you think you or someone you know has suffered from carbon monoxide poisoning, contact a medical professional immediately. If you have a gas fireplace in your home, keep these precautions in mind. Get your fireplace inspected every year. Besides properly cleaning your fireplace on a regular basis, it's also critical to hire a licensed and trained inspector to evaluate its condition as well as that of your chimney. This way, any issues that could cause you or your loved ones harm will be identified and remedied. Blockages, structural damage, and dirty parts can all work to trap carbon monoxide and increase the chances of a leak. Therefore, your inspector will ensure that vents are not blocked, and they will also check for damage, dirt, and grime. And other red flags such as broken fireplace doors and clogged starters. Beside preventive maintenance, there are other precautionary measures you can take to guard against carbon monoxide. An improperly maintained or ventilated gas fireplace, however, can result in incomplete combustion, create carbon monoxide, and causing the toxic gas to linger. Having smoke and carbon monoxide detector installed in your home is another step to safeguarding against this deadly gas. A detector will not only alert you if carbon monoxide is present or whether any smoke in it, protecting against fire. Consumer product Protection Agency, the US Consumer Product Safety, warns that beeping carbon monoxide alarm must never be ignored if it's indicating a low battery or low charge, since both could cause device malfunction. Specific examples include a beep or trip occurring every 30 seconds, which could indicate a gas presence or low battery. The device should be replaced immediately if either is present. General Security recommends conducting regular device inspection and battery replacement during daytime, saving time. Once when you spring ahead and again when you fall back, the service provider supplying the smoke and carbon monoxide detector may